What guys, today we gonna show one robots that I got a robot, 3 robots with an athlete and robots, 4 lakhs robots. Okay, we can go to battle which we need is okay, here we can go free for all. Then you 30 plus, okay, but I will not allow, but we are not checking. Okay, then free for all we are checking, or team deathmatch we are taking free for all. Okay. Okay, we are going to take free for all. Then to battle we are taking. It's come on 5 seconds at all. Okay, it's 5 seconds. Then we can wait and see. Okay, the battle is begins. So that we are, this robots and all robots. There were 3 robots in the end. Then first we are taking this robots. So very 100 and here 1 robot and here 2 robots. So we battle like max time when we are doing like this. So we are very fast and furious that we can kill the persons very fastly. It's not a cause at all. It's very dangerous at all. Then these guys who are fighting, we should kill them. Okay, now we can see and watch it. Okay, now we are killing that person with Alfred, Thunder and Heavy. Okay, no one is killing, but we can kill that guy. He's a bad. Okay, we can see we can go to that person and kill them. Okay, he's killing us. Okay, we can kill him with a laser. Then this one, he's a jumping thing. I think so. I not think so. It is. Okay, let's shoot it. Well, we killed the first person. We got 2 hammers, 2 hands that we can do. If we have that much, we can increase our robots. We can take our robots again and again. That's the use of it. Okay, we are now the 3rd position. We have killed 1 only. The next one is this fellow. We can see what a foolish fellow is this one. We are killing with him the whole thing. Okay, let's see what will happen. We got 10. We killed the second 1 robot. We got 12 hands we got. So we are in the 2nd position. That the 3rd position and the 1st position is here. He have been killed enemy 3. He have been killed, I think so. Enemy 1, enemy 3. No, he have been killed 4 or 5, I think so. Okay, yeah, he's a foolish fellow. Okay, let's see what he can do with us, with our lasers and our effort. Oh, we can see what will happen to us. Come on, it's fight time. Oh, our handle is going. We died. Okay, we have 1 more. Then we will take it once more, and we will kill him here itself. Okay, we are shooting him with the laser. He's killing by one another. Okay, we can see what will happen here. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I am very interested with playing this game. Okay, this is so curious games that we can play in home, and if we are bored at home, we can play it. Okay, this is a super duper game. And next we want to kill that guy. That guy is very foolish guy. We should kill him. Okay, 1 person is here. Okay, I think he's gone. Let's kill this guy. Okay, this guy we can kill. Wow, it's going Alfred, but it's very hard to kill him, I think so. Which robot is this? I can't see, but I call. Okay, we have 11. Okay, I have scored my maximum at 22. Okay, that much I have been scored. Okay, this guy is a little. We can't put now because if we put, it will be cost. It is covered with big solutions. Also, we can't do it like that. Okay, we are now crossing him. We can do anything. He's going away. He's scared of us. Okay, no problem. We can do what we can say. Okay, he's running away, I think so. But our lives has been sliced. Okay, now we can hold it. Okay, I've been gone. We can't get it. Okay, then I want to tell you one thing. Please subscribe and like, or put any comments that you have. I will be every time with you with for subscribe. For more videos, please subscribe also. Okay, and we are going to end, I think, 4 minutes more. Okay, I am in the third position. I want to kill him very quickly, or it will be harmful me, not to him or another person. It will be harm for me that these two guys should be fighted. Okay, where is this guy? I think you can't say. Where is this foolish guy? One guy saw me and he's going to kill me, I think so. No, he's going another way. I want to kill everybody. Okay, let's go to backside. And okay, let's see what will happen here. Everybody is so excited. Attack! It's so super. It's so super. Okay, we are in the lead. Okay, we are in the lead. Come on, Answer. Okay, come on. Please subscribe. Okay, we have killed him. We haven't killed him. Okay, that's it. Okay, that time. Okay, I'm in the second position. I have only little life for 3 minutes more. It is okay. We can see. Okay, we can see what will happen next. I am a little scared about this guy because he have more life than me and my one weapon is spoiled. Okay, but I think he's a foot guy. Okay, his life is going. I think these two guys are fighting. Okay, let's see what will happen.
I see.
Okay, this guy. Oh, he's very quite super. He's very quite super. I can't attack him with any of my weapons. Sometimes. Wow, I got 15. I go. Okay, I got 15.